a friend of mine. He was a friend of mine. Never had no money, pay for his fine. He was a friend of mine.
Cool song, He Was a Friend of Mine. So let's just go over the chords first, and then we'll get into the finger picking pattern. So it starts on an A major. I'm not going to do the finger picking pattern for now. And then that second chord is just by taking your pinky off. It's a sus2. That's an A suspended 2. And then we go to an E major. Back to A. Back to E. Now for whatever you want to call it, the chorus, we've got D, back to A. Now this is a C sharp 7. So relative to the capo, this is 4, 3, 4, 2. On the actual neck, this is going to be 5, 4, 5, 3. But if we're thinking in the key of A here, this is like a C sharp, right? And then we've got F sharp minor, which is a bar chord. Again, F sharp relative to the capo here. So 2nd fret minor bar chord. And then this chord, this is a little quick passing chord. This is F sharp minor 7 flat 5 or half diminished relative to the capo, and that's 2. Then we skip a string, and then 2, 2, 1, all relative to your capo. And then back to A, E, A. Starts over. To E. A. Here we go. D. To A. C sharp 7. To F sharp, half diminished. A. Now for the finger picking pattern, there's, obviously going to be variations and stuff. He is pretty clean. Most of the time he's doing the same thing. So if you want to do sort of half of it, you would start with a, this is your bass line, going from the A string to the D string to the E string back to the D. Or like 1, 5, 5, 5. And then we've got 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that's just for like this one part that I hear. finger, sometimes he'll start when he switches a chord. Sometimes he'll start with it together, with these two fingers together. So it's, if you really want to be precise, you can kind of go measure by measure, and really every measure is going to be a little bit different, depending on the chord shape. Or you can just, kind of fake it. You can either use this, your sort of pointer finger to help fill in, and you can kind of come up with your own little fill-ins here. It's with any sort of finger style thing, it's up to you how specifically perfect you want to get with the original recording, or if you want to just kind of come up with your own similar version of it.